Why not? Why not tape it? So that way, you know, when you become a professional wrestler, when you grow up.
I own a movie for you.
You're gonna own a movie theater.
Yeah, because it's on you now.
Ow! Oh, careful, dude.
On you,
No, don't do that.
Why?
Because you're gonna mess it up. Ow! You gotta be careful, dude. You're big. You doing an arm bar on me? What you're doing right now is an arm bar.
Your hand out?
No, I'm not tapping out.
Hold his hand up.
You'd have to pay me to tap out.
What?
I said you'd have to pay me to tap out.
No, you have to make it cold and have to hold your...
Uh-huh.
I don't have to tap. I like hold your hand. Yeah, it's hard making a move. That's what's hard and making a move. Yeah. Yeah, wait, yeah. You're awesome.
I'm gonna arm bar you now. What now, huh? What, you don't like licking my knee? Oh my gosh, what are you doing? Stop it! Ow! Boy! Ow! Ow! Get off my arm! Dude, you're hurting it. This is Nathaniel Davis, age 6. Star date, late June of 2012. What, you don't like the paparazzi?
What's that?
You don't know what paparazzi is?
Yeah.
They're people that chase celebrities around and videotape them and record them all the time for money.
Hello, heck. My home. Hello, heck.